Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the final essay prompt number 1. Please be sure that you have your novel because you will have to use it in order to complete this essay. First of all, make sure you've read the prompt. I'm sure you have a copy of it in front of you already. The point is you're going to compare and contrast yourself to either Ron or Denver. Choose one of them. And when you're doing that, make sure that your thesis is clear. We have gone through different, or we have similar and different experiences. Make sure that your thesis drives your paper. The requirements: it must follow MLA format. You do not need to include a works cited. We all know that it's coming from the novel. Multi-paragraph. You can use 4 paragraphs, 5 paragraphs, whatever you need to make sure you support yourself well. And you must have at least 2 in-text citations from the novel. Make sure you have the novel. I do not want to see people on the computer going to find quotes and stuff. You should have the novel. You should have read the novel. Next, possible essay structure. Again, this is my idea of how I would do it. However, you can do it any way you want. Obviously, you want to have the thesis, body paragraph. Make sure you have a topic sentence. Your first example of compare and contrast. If you're going to, let's say I'm comparing myself to Ron, I would say Ron and I shared a similar experience when we were both attending college, period. Because I was kind of poor when I was in college in the beginning, and so was Ron, and then talk about that. And then, follow suit for the same for body paragraph 2, 3. Just be sure that your topic sentences cover what they're going to cover. Stay on topic. Then the conclusion. Here you have to submit the essay by 10 a.m. I have Canvas set up that if you do not submit it by 10 a.m. it's going to close and you will not be able to submit it at that time. In the past, especially when I used to do these in class where you had to write by hand, I would have students keeping me 10, 15, 20 minutes after class because they weren't finished. First of all, I thought it was rude. And second, I had another class to go to. So I'm not doing that anymore. You have till 10 a.m., no exceptions. Don't come to me if you're not finished. Think about this. If you were taking a state board test or an insurance test or an accountant test, anything to become certified for the state of California, once that computer says it shuts down, it shuts down. It's the same way. Please, if you do not submit your essay by 10 a.m., do not ask me to accept it, because I will not. Please sign your name and date it so that I know that you were here and you're the person who wrote it. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me or BNF know. Good luck.